Let's listen to the story now. The Bad King. The jungle has trees and plants. It has animals and birds. The lion is the king of the animals. The birds have no king. The birds say, "We want a king." The peacock says, "A king looks good. I have beautiful feathers. I have a lovely tail. I can be king." The crow says, "A king is very clever. I am clever. I can do many things. I must be king." The owl says, "A king is wise. I am wise. I can see at night. I will be king." The myna says, "The birds have a race. All birds can fly. The bad king must fly the highest. The bird who can fly far in the sky will be the bad king." The eagle says, "That is a good idea. I can fly very high. Nobody can fly so high." The race begins. All the birds fly high into the sky. The eagle flies the highest and wins the race. Now the eagle is the king of birds.